change is an inevitable part of our life. Many aspects of this changing world are beyond one's individual control. We are in the midst of a worldwide pandemic, a massive upheaval. As the world grapples with this monstrous insidious virus, the mental scars caused may be gruesome. But this pandemic can be a blessing in disguise only if we create a new perspective in dealing life situations.
Be deliberate in the activities that are positive, heartwarming and nurturing. We are here to share our insights on staying positive from a pandemic.
Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. सुखिनो भवन्तु अजब तेरी दुनिया मालिक अजब तेरी दुनिया लोका लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु जब तेरी दुनिया मालिक लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु सुखिनो भवन्तु
இரவாகவே பகலாகவே കവിളത്തു നിന്റെ ചിരി കാത്തിടാനിതുവഴി ഞാൻ തുണയായി വരാം ഇനി എന്നുമേ കൂട നീർത്തിടാം തണലേകിടാം ഒരു നല്ല നേരം വരവേറ്റിടാം കുഞ്ഞോമൽ കണ്ണോരം കണ്ണീരും മഹേണം നെഞ്ചോരം കുന്നോളം ചേലേറും കനവുകളും ഒരു പിടി കാവലായി വഴി തേടണം ഒരു മാറിവിൽ ചിറകേറണം ആശതൻ തേരിതിൽ പറന്നു വാനിൽ നീ ഉയർകണം.
COVID-19 is not gonna stop us from living our dreams. Sometimes this social distance may be challenging to some of us. Although we are apart, hope we are united in our love. Hope we are united in our hope and service to one another.
Optimistic the news resulting by gloom can be hard. We must not let this pandemic break us. In times of constant negative messaging, you need an antidote.
It's going to take all of us collectively to fight this battle. The secret of change is to focus all of your energy not fighting the old but on building the new. Ultimately, COVID-19 has taught humanity that we are all in this together and we will fight together.
Foster qualities of persistence and endurance. Keep regular routines and schedules as much as possible, or create a new one for self-assessment, pursuing your hobbies, managing a healthy diet, doing exercise and learning. When you cannot find the sunshine, be the sunshine.
These online classes are very effective for us, even though we cannot see our friends and teachers with each other. If we have any doubts and we cannot understand any classes, our teachers are ever ready to explain and clear out our doubts at any time with great pleasure.
During this corona period, I felt like spending some of my time by reading books.
No matter whether it is a regular day or a day during lockdown, I'm happy to help my parents.
During this lockdown period, I managed to do cooking along with my studies. I love to do cooking. Now I am going to prepare a lime tea.
It's during this lockdown, many experimented with their talents, and mine was with my cooking skills. Cooking is like painting or writing a song. Just like there are so many colors or notes, there are so many flavors. It's how you combine them sets you apart. Here I am preparing chicken roll.
Gardening is an enjoyable aerobic exercise that helps us to combat loneliness. So, during lockdown, I spent a lot of time in gardening.
I love organic farming. During these lockdown days, I have performed organic farming in my leisure time in a small area of my house. I have kindled a small spark for a bright upcoming future.
During this COVID time, I have managed to help my brother in his studies along with mine. I have heard a quote that no one is useless who lightens the burden of another. So this inspired me and helped my brother in his studies.
During these lockdown days, I am very happy to serve my grandparents. Grandparents are very important in everyone's life. They teach us many things, caring, sharing, etc. Serving grandparents is equal to serve God.
Storm, hit your weakness, but unlock your strength. Some of us will fight by staying home. Some of us will fight by showing up, and some of us will fight by helping the elderly in need. And while this virus is spreading, may our love also spread. May our love be infectious. May our hope be contagious.